Handmade soap is so easy to do, and it's a very popular DIY project. Not to mention, you could sell your handmade soaps, and they make a great hostess gift. So today, let's make a pressed flower soap. It's a cinch, so let's get started. You'll need clear and white glycerin melt and pour soap base, dried flowers, rubbing alcohol, essential oils, a silicone mold, 2 heat-proof measuring cups, and stir sticks. First, drop the flowers into the bottom of the mold. Melt the clear glycerin soap base in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then at 10-second intervals until completely melted. Mix in a few drops of essential oils and stir. Pour into the mold over the flour about halfway up. Wait for it to harden about 8 minutes, then spray rubbing alcohol over the top of the clear glycerin. Now, melt the white glycerin soap base in the microwave for 30 seconds and at 10-second intervals until it's all melted. Now, it's optional to add a few more drops of essential oils into the melted white glycerin if you want more fragrance in your soap. Pour over the top of the clear base already in the mold. Wait an hour for it to harden and pop out. Another option is to add food coloring to your clear glycerin to make colored soaps. And there you have it, soap so pretty, it's like a work of art.